So I'm sitting there just trying to scrounge for the stuff that I need. Through the upper fairing stay headlight and then into the fairing. Screw it in. So I'm gonna put the fairing on. Gonna pop the top in. But for the most part, she's done.
We are more than just a brand. We are a community of motorcycle enthusiasts who share a passion for the open road and exceptional craftsmanship. Follow us on social media, share your bike transformations, and inspire other riders worldwide. Thank you for choosing Nicefairings. Let's make your bike as unique as you are. Ride with style. Ride with Nicefairings.